Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot to another Love Bite. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's start your reading. Let's see what wants to show up for you today. And Scorpio, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. I'm very, very grateful to all of you. And if you're new here, Scorpio, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the reading. We welcome you in. All right. Okay. Death card, center of my spread. Big, big, big changes. Scorpio. Something is coming to an end, or somebody has put something to an end. Somebody who was a little upset and angry with their person because maybe they never put in any work. Now, whoever the person is who is upset doesn't want to move forward, is holding back. But there is somebody else who wants to now chase. They want to transform this connection. They don't know what to do, which side or how to make it work, because they're realizing they've created a lot of heartbreak here with their fights or their immature behavior. So things are a bit stuck here. Somebody is feeling quite beaten down. They don't know which direction to go in to change things now. So, Scorpio, what I'm going to do, I'll clarify these cards, of course, but first we'll take some dialogue message cards and see if you guys needed to say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify these cards. Scorpio and their person. Spirit? Oops. Okay. And Scorpio, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oops, that's a lot of cards. Going to put them back. Just one more, Spirit. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Scorpio and their person. They could say something to each other. What would that be? Scorpio and their person. Okay. And I'll take a couple more from here. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. A lot of cards. Okay. Scorpio, let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, I know that you stalk me on social media and use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it. I have been noticing in Scorpio reading somebody always spying and, trying to gather information about the other person. And that's exactly what this card is saying. I feel so guilty when I'm intimate with anyone else. During sex, all I can ever think about is you. I get so high thinking of you, and it's only ever you that makes me orgasm. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends, and then you distanced yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I'm willing to offer an olive branch to you if I'm able to communicate with you. I would gladly accept an olive branch from you. I long for peace. I miss you. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul in a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words as I'm feeling so fragile right now. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. Don't let the past dictate the future. Somebody says, forget about whatever happened in the past and, let's start again. I will wait for you as long as I have to. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Alright, so Scorpio, if this is resonating with your story, let's start your reading. But before I clarify these cards, I'm going to take an angel blessing card as always. Let's see how my angels can bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, pause. I don't know why this card flashed in my mind before it opened up. Yes, there is a pause. Pause in love. The love is there, but it's come to a kind of a halt or a pause right now. Things are stuck, and someone's feeling really, really devastated about it. So what's this Queen of Wands spirit in reverse for Scorpio? Now this Scorpio could be you, this could be your person. Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse. Somebody is upset. Maybe this was at one time a promise of a happily ever after. This could have been a commitment or was going towards a commitment. As much as there was everything there, that spouse, the children, everything else was perfect. And there was this dream that, we're going to walk into the sunset. Something kind of ended, but not completely ended. It's like, I don't know how to say this. Somebody is upset and angry enough now to get out of confusion and choose themselves, but this connection still kind of lingers in some way. Maybe there is something which binds you guys still together. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this Queen of Wands is upset because they feel somebody maybe was, all about themselves. They were only worried about their 9 cups, and the 10th cup, which was the Ace of Cups, was never taken into consideration. They feel the person was always juggling them, never giving them priority, never putting in enough work in this connection. What else, Spirit? Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, I think this structure was not solid. That's what this Queen of Wands is telling me. And now it's kind of disrupted. And I think somebody is holding back from this connection now, big time. Four of Pentacles. Holding on tightly to themselves, not giving in, allowing things to fall if they will. Gone into a bit of hermit mode. The separation. There could be children involved as well for some of you, but even though the communication lines are open, there is no thought of reconciliation, not going back to the way things were. Hey, we can be happy otherwise, but don't expect the 10 of Cups kind of a situation. What's this Chariot, Spirit? Chariot and the Death card. Chariot and the Death card. Yes, but now this masculine, I think, is feeling very, very ungrounded at the disruption of this connection. They now want equal give and take. They want their partner back. They want to charge towards their partner, but kind of losing hope. They feel none of their wishes will come true now if they don't have what they always had, but maybe never respected, right? Now they're feeling quite lost. They're feeling they've lost the war. They're feeling embarrassed, ashamed of maybe some previous actions that were done. Maybe this person was a little money-minded, never being that perfect spouse that this Queen of Wands wanted. So the Death card, Spirit. Death card. Death card. Somebody's feeling like they lost the battle here. They feel somebody made a decision, put an end to this connection, and things are really in chaos at the moment, troubled waters. They feel somebody is, no, actually they do want to start again, they want to start afresh. Am I right, Spirit? Yeah, but they do want to start afresh, but they don't know how. I think this person is heavily thinking, heavily reflecting on their past actions. Maybe they're wondering how to bring things back together, how to bring back, working together again. Right now, they're coming to no solution. Yes, because they feel that person has kind of blocked them out, totally blocked. This Queen of Wands has totally blocked, iced them out, and is not no longer interested in having a happily ever after with them. Two of Swords. Two of Swords. They feel that person, is upset with them, that they were always maybe very rash or rude, or created a lot of fights or conflicts. They feel their person is no longer wanting to invest in this connection anymore, and not fighting for this connection at all. So that's the reason, even though I think this person wants a fresh new beginning, they are kind of doubting it because they don't feel good enough now. They feel they're the loser in this connection or relationship. Three of Swords. Why is there heartbreak, Spirit? Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Yes, this person has created, I think somebody is understanding what they've done. Maybe they were very selfish, they were very self-centered, they've created some very bad memories now in this connection, which has led to a lot of heartbreak. Maybe there's been fighting, there's been conflict, there's been... All this is now, when this person thinks about it, whoever this person is who created all this conflict and bad memories and had the selfish behavior, never regarded their partner, this person is now very overwhelmed with their own thoughts. What did I do? This person is now in this, trying to gather their self maybe, or trying to understand what happened. This person is very stuck, feeling very devastated about the mistakes that they've made. Hanged Man. Yes, the realization that this person is having is, yes, I was immature. I played around. I never respected my partner, and that's cost me my Four of Wands. I could have had this. I already had it. And I disrupted it because of my player ways. So somebody is in deep reflection, they're getting enlightened about their own bad behavior here. They are now understanding why their partner's gone off, transformed, taken off maybe for a brand new beginning, and why they are no longer interested in coming back to them. What's this Ten of Swords, Spirit? Ten of Swords. Yeah, somebody is, even though, like I said, the chapter isn't shut completely, and maybe this person doesn't want to shut it also, 100%. They are wanting to come out. Whoever this person is who's getting enlightened now, they're as devastated as they're feeling. They're realizing that they've destroyed this connection. They do want to come out of this feeling of always feeling now they are the ones who are feeling left behind, feeling abandoned. This person doesn't want to be in this hangman place for too long, which they are at the moment. We just saw that card, right? They are in this place, but they do want to get unstuck. They don't want to shut the chapter. They're trying to still kind of find some way in to have one more go around. So according to them, what they are trying to tell me is that I still love my partner. This is just a pause, right? But I'm not sure about the other person, because I think that other person is very, very upset and angry with them, or is not wanting to take any action towards them. From as far as I see, they've already leaped off that cliff and gone off for a new beginning, totally blocking off this person to say, hey, my eyes are shut. I have these swords now guarding my heart. I'm not going to let you hurt me again. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Let me know if it worked. Give me a thumbs up. I'll get to know if it's resonating with your story. And newbies, do subscribe if it did. Thank you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.